Comprehensive review of Toshiba EM131A5C-BS Smart Sensor Microwave Oven. The Toshiba EM131A5C-BS microwave oven is positioned as a versatile and powerful choice for home use. Let's delve into its features, performance, ease of use, and value for money to provide consumers with a thorough insight and assist in making informed decisions. Key features: 1100 W power. With 1100 watts of power, this microwave ensures quick and efficient cooking for a variety of foods. 1.2 cubic feet capacity, generously sized, it accommodates large dishes and handles different quantities of food. Smart sensor. The smart sensor automatically adjusts cooking time and power for optimal results, eliminating guesswork and ensuring even cooking. Black stainless steel. The sleek black stainless steel design not only adds a modern touch to the kitchen but also makes cleaning a breeze. Performance. The 1100 W power ensures fast and even heating. The smart sensor is a standout feature, simplifying the cooking process by adapting to different foods and eliminating the possibility of overcooked or undercooked dishes. Ease of use. With touch controls and an easy-to-understand digital panel, this microwave is intuitive. Additionally, the silently opening door and backlit display contribute to convenient and pleasant usage. Advantages: smart sensor, effortless precise cooking. Stylish design, aesthetically pleasing in any kitchen. Time-saving features, 1100 W power allows for quick cooking. Disadvantages: large size. For small kitchens, the generous size may take up a significant amount of counter space. Internal lighting. Some users may find the internal light a bit dim. Value for money. The Toshiba EM131A5C-BS offers solid performance with advanced features at an affordable price. The combination of power, capacity, and a sleek design supports its worth in terms of value for money. If you're on the lookout for a powerful and efficient microwave oven for your home, explore more about the Toshiba EM131A5C-BS by clicking on the link in the video description. Make your kitchen smarter and more convenient